of optical sorting equipment widely used in agriculture and food processing. This morning, our speakers will share how AMVT is using cutting-edge technologies to detect defects in foreign materials once considered impossible to sort out, but not anymore. Please help me in welcoming Oscar Sandoval and Tim Clower.
Good morning. How are you guys doing today? Excellent, excellent. My name is Tim Clower, Oscar Sandoval.
Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. My name is Oscar Sandoval. I'm the California Regional Manager for AMVT out of our Modesto or Salida, California office.
And I'm our Senior Regional Sales Manager. I'm a remote agent operating mostly out of the Pacific Northwest, but happy enough to be able to join the team today to present a bit to you about AMVT and our Deep AI technology, something we're very excited about. We think it's going to be a game changer for the industry for sorting technologies. So here's the agenda, what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about who AMVT is, the complete package that we offer, the sorting. We're going to talk about some sorting applications specific to a lot of nuts, but also touch on almonds, and then dive a little bit into the vision technologies that our systems include, and then also our different sorting systems that we offer, our product line, the machines there. And then we really want to explore more about and share more about Deep AI, the game changer. That's the main piece that we're going to be talking about. Some exciting new things that we're doing with sorting. And then very important, as when you buy any piece of machinery, is the service and customer care. So we're going to talk about the service and customer care as well. And then, doing business together with the folks here specifically in the nuts and in almond industry. So we're a different type of sorting organization, a different type of organization in the sorting space, I should say. We're very solution oriented and work with our customers on a case-by-case basis to figure out solutions. There could be solutions on an application or solutions for a broader sense for the business. And then, we're really passionate about what we do in providing these sorting systems and helping people's businesses grow. We're on the map here. We serve USA, Canada, Mexico, Latin America, and other developing markets with sales support and service for optical sorters. And we have offices and agents across all of North America, including, mentioned Oscar, here's our manager for our Salida office location in California. Here, this is our headquarters. Applied Machine Vision Technologies was founded in Houston in 2009. And in 2019, we built this headquarters in Katy, which is where we're currently located. Our head office is where we have our administration, our national sales and service team, and our largest inventory of sorters and parts.
And here we have our West Coast office, which is located in Salida, California, right off the 99 freeway. We have demo units of all the latest models available for testing at our office. We always welcome customers to bring their own samples, and we always love to host our customers and show them what our equipment can do with their own product sample. We have demonstration locations, both our Houston office, our headquarters, as well as here in Salida, California.
Yeah, so as Oscar mentioned, we welcome guests anytime, bring samples. We have all the latest machines of same as we have here at demonstration. Our booth is right here to the left. All those machines are available for testing and demonstration at either location in our headquarters in Texas or in Modesto. Up here on the top, that's our showroom in Texas, and here on the bottom is our showroom in Salida. So I'll just give a brief introduction, a little bit about sorting applications for nuts, and then I'll let Oscar dive a little bit into that. So some of the applications that are really important are removing in-shell nuts, removing shells from the meat, and removing all different types of defects from the nuts, as well as removing foreign materials. These are all areas where the sorter is critical to the processing of the almonds and other nuts. And there's other applications as well.
Yeah, in this next slide, you'll be able to see some of the shells that we focus on with our sorters for almond, hazelnuts, pistachios, as well as walnuts and pecans. We're able to remove any foreign material, any end shell from these type of materials. If you hit the next slide, Tim, here we can see some of the defects that we focus on, like dark, shriveled almond, scratch, moldy, and also rancid kernels. As you can see on these pictures, the next slide shows you or gives you a little bit of an idea on the foreign material, like stones, glass, metal, plastic, sticks, and other types of foreign materials that we can target with our optical sorters.
So the vision technologies that we're using this, well, we have sorter to cover any spectrum needed to remove these types of foreign materials and defects. We're using RGB to cover visible light, which is a very narrow part of this, the electromagnetic spectrum. And that's what we're using for color sorting, RGB technology. But then we also have systems that are analyzing materials beyond visible light using near infrared and X-ray systems, and that's what we refer to as material sorting. So this is our one of our product lines, our CG series sorters. These are our shoot machines that we're using with NIR and RGB. And we have 1 shoot, 3 shoot, and 5 shoot models available. And now also, as we here have it in our booth, stainless steel available as well. Very important for food safety.
This is our lineup of Deep AI. This is what we're hoping to unveil here and show you guys. This is our XS series, which is our X-ray sorter. And then we also have our K and KI sorters. These are belt sorters. And these models all come with Deep AI. And we're going to talk a little bit about what Deep AI is in the next slides.
So yeah, here's what we really came to talk about to unveil the Deep AI. We feel very strongly about this technology. We're very excited about it, and to the point we feel it's going to transform industry, and it's a game changer. The Deep AI works with a special processor in a way that was comparable to facial recognition technology, but applied to seeds and grains and nuts. It's giving us a new level of accuracy and reliability sorting that wasn't possible with previous technology. And we're seeing performance with these machines well above and beyond anything that was possible with other conventional sorting technologies.
And if you guys want to see a demonstration on this X-ray, you guys are more than welcome to come over to our booth, be able to show you how our X-ray can focus on specifically those pinholes, worm damage, and be able to reject this kind of product.
So up to this point, traditional sorting technologies have been done with analyzing images of materials. Maybe one image of good product, one image of bad product, maybe up to maybe a dozen images or so. But Deep AI is different because it's built on sophisticated modeling that analyzes color, shape, texture, and other details of the products based on models built on thousands of images of materials. So it is the deep learning that the machine is able to do with such complex analysis of the materials, all these different defects and the good material as well. So, you know, there's a major problem with labor shortage impacting, across the country, impacting all businesses. And without labor, we believe Deep AI is going to be one of the major keys to provide a solution to businesses and help automate processes and replace hand picking. And that's really where we see the advantage of Deep AI is to replace hand picking, automate that process.
In the introduction, we were talking about those difficult to sort defects, and here are some samples of them, like double almonds, embedded shell, frass, and also insect damage, like we talked about on our X-ray. Deep AI sorts these difficult defects with unmatched precision. Like we talked about on our X-ray, here are some samples of what the Deep AI can do with the X-ray sorting. It targets the frass, pinhole, and even the moldy rancid almonds.
And the ones with the insect damage on the side of the kernel as well. So,
some of the foreign materials that we could also target, not just with the regular sort, but with our deep AI, is rocks, sticks, glass, plastics, metal as well. Not just with the X-ray, but we can also target this with a regular belt sorter in deep AI. Next, we're going to see a video that demonstrates our deep AI sorter.
Well, we have first, before we get to the video, also talk about removing shells, in-shell nuts, foreign materials, including, like in this example, if you have contamination, maybe with processing of other type of nut. Maybe if you found sometimes using the same containers and finding traces of other nuts that could be cross-contamination, DPAI can work for that. And it can be set up to remove all these different types of materials at the same time. So here's a video we want to share about DPAI. We don't have any sound here.
There's a cable plug in.
Which one? This one? Let's give it a shot again. Here we go. DPAI can sort a whole spectrum of different types of foreign materials, even at high contamination levels. Very difficult to see, and other things that would previously be done with very high losses of good materials. It's very exciting. And we have all these machines available here for if you want to see a demonstration, please come in and visit us. We're over here, booth 825. So,
We've been talking a little bit about how deep AI can work with sorting out almonds, but also deep AI can be used with other products. Like you see in this picture, we're able to sort out just perfect halves, kick out anything that is not a perfect half in walnuts, shell, discolored, also walnuts. I know this year there's some issues with yellow walnut meats, but we're able to target this with deep AI. That's something that couldn't have been done before with just traditional methods. Here we have a sample of pecans too. We're also able to target worms. We're able to remove these with deep AI, and as we know, this is especially important for in the food industry for food safety. Deep AI could also be used in pistachios. We already have some of these sorters doing these applications, sorting out enclosed shell as well as open shell, and kicking out those defects like D-bomb that before it was very hard to sort out. So this is where deep AI comes very handy, and the options are endless. Also for pistachio meats, we're able to take care of these defects in the pistachio meats.
So, I've been talking about it, say it again, and we believe this is revolutionary technology. It's going to replace hand picking. We're very excited how Deep AI, we're expecting to transform the industry and, what is possible with machine sorting. If you'd like to know more about Deep AI, please visit us at our booth 825, or you can contact us here and have a contact information below, or come speak to either one of us after the presentation. So I do want to switch gears a little bit and talk about customer service. We offer great machine, great technology, but more than that, we have a great service team. And no matter how good the machine is, ultimately you may be only as good as the service that is provided. And what you're going to get with AMVT is not only a great machine, but service from a great team of dedicated experts. A little bit about AMVT and working with us. There's two pieces that we really look at. One is pre-sale service. Our agents will work closely with you to understand all your requirements, your sorting criteria, find the right solution to you. For you, we'll design trials, collect the information you need to make the right decision, and then post-sale, we're there through the process to advise you on installation, schedule startup and training, and very important piece is to provide continued support with regular visits to our customers, continued service. As far as the technical support that we offer with our machines, you get 24/7 technical support. Technical support is free for the life of the machine once you buy it. We offer a lot of different ways that we're doing remote support, including video calls, phone calls, messaging, and remote control support for our machines over the internet. We also offer free sample testing and analysis for your materials to create schemes. If you have a difficult product, difficult material, we can analyze that for free and give you the parameters. And then also, as far as service, we do annual service agreements for preventative maintenance. We can do special service calls and are available for training. We continue to get lots of really great feedback from our customers on their experience and what they think about the service of AMVT and the quality of our machine and the efficiency that it brings to their operation. And so we wanted to take a few minutes and share some of the positive customer experiences that we've been getting. Some good testimonies from our customers saying, why they like to work with us and why they like our machine.
Here we have a customer that recently purchased one of our machines, and their experience, as he mentions in this testimonial, has been great. Like he says, it's one of the most efficient sorting machines. Talking about our service, how it's been stellar, and how we could be a good partner to a lot of the people in the nut industry. On the next slide, we have a customer that's had an x-ray, one of our x-rays, for over 3 years. Likes our service. Like he mentions, AMVT service has been first class as well. Really good things to say. We have another customer using not just our CI machines, but also some of our older machines. They've had machines for quite a while. And like he mentions, we provided the best possible optical sorting efficiency with our hard work and dedication. And without fail, they provide remarkable customer service and tech support.
I like that one. That's a great one right there. Here's a couple other things we have some customers saying about us. We care about our customer demands and match with the product and services to meet their needs. And their machines work very well. With the customer support that is offered, it's a sure win for their company. So these are the kind of positive reviews we're getting from our customers. And this one too, talking a little bit more broadly about the whole process, working from us from start to finish, end to end. Proven knowledgeable and professional every step of the way, highly recommended, 5 stars. And so this is a couple different customers from different areas in the business and that are very happy with our machine. And like I said, it's a combination of not only a great machine, powerful tools in the technology, but the service and dedication and the support that you're going to get. So any of those folks that you're looking at sorting technologies, either maybe you're looking at upgrading, or you're looking at maybe going into processing, or maybe you're just curious to know a little bit more or see a demonstration, please come visit us at our booth 825, or you can contact us if you'd like to know more. And that's it. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time, everybody.